Invasion game, Agawan Base. Agawan Base Agawan Base is a traditional Filipino game where two teams try to protect their own base while trying to capture the other team's base. It's part of Larong Pinoy Filipino games that teach teamwork, strategy, and fun. Game rules. There are two teams with equal players. Each team has a base, like a tree or a mark spot. Players try to tag opponents and capture the other team's base. If tag a player becomes a prisoner and stays at the opponent's base, teammates can rescue prisoners by tagging them. The team that captures the base or rescues all teammates wins. So that are rules for Agawan Base. What do we learn from the game Agawan Base? First, teamwork. You need to help and protect each other. Second, strategy. You must think before you move. Third, respect. Follow the rules and play fair. And last, courage. Don't be afraid to take risks and help your team. Thank you for listening.